Kaykaç Machinery, which has been dedicated to the railway industry, was founded in 1982 in Adana, the fifth biggest industrial city of Turkey. Our company is a well-known wagon spare part manufacturer. We are manufacturing almost all spare parts of bogies and freight wagons and exporting those spare parts to several countries. The critical spare parts of wagons, such as buffers, draw gears, screw couplings and draw hooks, are also being produced with TSI certificates. The quality systems such as ISO 9001:2015, EN 3834 and EN 15085-2 CL1 form the cornerstones of our quality policy. We are a strong and flexible company that has adopted the principle of showing our service and difference in the railway spare part industry by offering creative solutions and quality beyond expectations. Our mission is to enable our customers to focus on their main business areas by fulfilling our duties in full. Our vision is to be the most preferred and trusted global spare part manufacturer of the railway industry. We kindly invite all railway industry actors to experience our spare parts and services. Kaykaç Machinery.